Okay, guys, here is the uncomplicated and easy steps to create a course without any other experience. Now, creating a course itself can be pretty simple, but everything else that goes into it, it doesn't happen overnight, just let me say. But if you can take these steps and, build upon it and then promote it, make your launch, promote it, then you can absolutely have this done, have your own business and creating a course with your passion, your interests, your hobbies, whatever knowledge or skills that you might have. So here are these steps that you can take to create a course. First and foremost, the most important thing, and I always talk about it, identify your target audience. So where's your target audience hanging out? What are their needs? What are their preferences? It's important to understand these things so that you can promote a a message or material, put it in front of them, and it will speak to them directly. Understanding your audience will help you create engaging content and material and ultimately the course that they're seeking. Now, of course, you do know you kind of have to have a clear idea of what you're wanting as far as what industry or what niche, what area, but you don't have to have, your course could change over time. Okay. I started out making websites and teaching people how to design their own website. And then now I'm, teaching people how to create a course. So it can change over time. So it doesn't have to be right away. It doesn't have to be clear and absolutely this is what it's got to be. But what are your skills? What is your knowledge? Based off of that, who would your target audience be? And what are their needs? And what are their concerns? What are their pain points? And then build off of that. From there, create your learning objectives. So at the end of the course, what do you want them to learn? Okay. At the end of the course, what skill will they have? What will they be able to do? What will they learn ultimately? And then from those learning objectives, start creating a course from your target audience and their pain points and from your learning objectives, the solution to their problem. So choosing a topic or a niche, it just has to be relevant to your target audience. Okay. So when you choose a topic, is it something that's in demand, that maybe has a big impact, something that they are willing to buy because it solves a problem? Okay. That's how you're going to choose your topic. So if you love, creating websites, what could I do or what could you do that would help solve a problem? Well, we do know that a lot of people they don't want to purchase a website. Okay. They want to somehow to do it by themselves, but they don't know how. So creating a video on how to build their own website is a solution. Okay. That's just one way. Another one, people love food. People want to know how to bake, when they want to know how to cook or bake. Um, and you know how to do both of those. You have a solution. You're going to teach them how to bake. You're going to teach them how to cook, whatever that might be. That's how you choose your topic. You're basing it off of their needs, their preferences, their pain points, um, and the learning objectives. What is the end goal that you want them to learn? And that is how you create you choose your topic. So now that you have your topic, you know what their needs are, you know what their problems are, you have an idea. Okay, you've written out your learning objectives because you know you want to teach them this and you want them to walk away knowing this. So now build content around that. Okay, whether it's a video, whether it's a workbook, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a workshop, in person, whatever it might be, build content around that. Okay, use some things as a lead magnet, which means bringing the traffic, which is people, bringing them in to, bringing, creating a buzz, allowing them to see the value, the benefits that you might have, which should be the solution. Showing them you want them to be interested in whatever it is. So promoting and highlighting that. So creating content and material around those needs, those preferences, those pain points is critical. Okay. Um, so you can do it this way. I've gone over this in multiple videos, but I've also done this in both of the courses that I have. But you want to write down, so you've got your niche, you want to write down exactly what it takes to get to this end result. Okay. We'll take cooking for an example. Okay. You want to teach them how to cook. So we're going to teach somebody how to make lasagna. Okay. You know that you need a stove, you need a pan, or an oven. Actually, you need an oven, you need a pan. What kind of pan? We'll get to that. What materials or what ingredients do you need to get to the end result, which is the lasagna. Okay. So out of that, we're gonna create categories. Okay. The first one, setup. What do I need to set all of this up? So that you're going to provide the details in the setup. Okay. The second category might be the ingredients, all the ingredients for the actual food. The third, what kind of, heating, what temperature might it be? So, the heating instructions, um, the timing instructions. So now I've got all my little facts into these categories, right? These categories are my modules, we'll say. So each module is going to have a lesson. Those facts, the steps under those categories are my lessons. So if you're creating a video, whether you're making a book, a video, whatever, use those categories to stay organized and focused on talking about whatever is in that category. Whatever lesson you're on, be specific, because not everybody knows how to do what you know how to do. Just and keep that in mind. Even if you think it's the easiest thing in the world, act like you're talking to a 3 or 5-year-old, okay? Teach them how to do it specifically. Measurements. Don't just eyeball how much salt you put in there. Tell them, a teaspoon, tablespoon, whatever. So be detailed. Okay. So you've got your categories or your modules, you've got your lessons, because those are the steps. And now you're creating the body of your course. You also want to create material for it. So done for you, worksheets or templates or an ebook or something that they will find interesting. Maybe do a quiz. Should I do this or should I do that? Should I hire this or should I DIY? Make a quiz. So at the end of that quiz, they get to, the answer, and that answer, this side of the answer leads here and this side of the answer leads there. And then once you have created that course, you've got your body, you're going to create that material. And again, remember to keep it around the learning objectives, pain points, your target audience's needs, their preferences, their interests. And then as you're creating this material, you want to promote this material. So go to various channels. Make sure you're going on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, making sure email marketing, making sure that you're promoting whatever it is, giving it away for free, certain things, and promoting it. Again, you're creating a buzz for your brand. You're creating a buzz around you and whatever it is you're going to be providing for them. But you're going to have to do that consistently. Okay. You can do a quick video. You can do a 30-second, 60-second video and put it on TikTok or make it as short. Put it on your social media platforms. Do something every day and, try to be consistent about it so that you can start growing. And then, of course, test and refine. Have some people that you test it out to and make sure that you get whatever feedback you get, use it. Improve whatever it is that you have. Maybe you have to fix something. Maybe you have to add something. Maybe you have to, do a little moving around here, and then launch it. Let everybody know. Promote it. Okay. Promote your launch, whether it's by a free workshop or a free challenge or in-person, whatever. Promote it. By following these steps, you can create a course from scratch with no experience. You can create a course, and you can create a course with on just about anything, to be quite honest. But to make a impact, you want to create a course on something that is in demand, that you have the skills on, that is solving a problem for your target audience. But I hope you found value. I hope it helped in some way. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Rachel with Inspire Purpose. I am a course creator and a web designer. And if you did find value in this video, please hit the like button or subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video.